Raider coming at you once again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got this. What's this? It's that. This is 2x spicy Buldak Topokki. So let's see. How do you make it? It's basically, they're like tubes. I'll show you. It says perfect recipe, which highlights our famous Buldak flavor. Chewiest rice cake made in Korea. Put rice cake and sauce in the bowl. Pour the hot water up to the line marked inside. Microwave on... Okay. Microwave on high for 2.5 minutes at 1,000 watts or 3.5 at 700. And it's 450 calories. Alright. So. And I'm going to use the fork. Not in this part, but when I eat it. Because this, ladies and gentlemen, is a mukbang. And what's going to make it an even harder mukbang is my daughter has the little keyboard. And the little keyboard allows her to make horribly loud noises that I do not approve of, nor will you, but will make it harder for me to concentrate and actually exist. So, this is Topokki. Okay? The actual, it shows on here, it's spelling it T-O-P-O-K-K-I. The way it's pronounced, and I was told while I was on nitrous at the dentist that I pronounced this correctly. It's Topokki. 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 So, it's a cross between a D and a T. It's what they call a soft T. It's like T, D. You might be like, well, how the hell do you know the difference what somebody's saying if they're talking real fast? I'm guessing if you're a Westerner, you don't. Ha ha ha. Yeah. Unless you are really good. But we're putting the tteokbokki in the bowl. And no, I don't know how to pronounce the letter B. But do not eat. Tteokbokki is kind of funny because it's got like this scent of alcohol. And I don't know why it does. I have to look on the Mangchi blog. Type in M-A-A-N-G-C-H-I on YouTube. And if you are interested in cooking Korean food, that lady knows what's up. So if you go there and you like end up watching like all her videos, which are a lot of them, just put in the comments, sent here by the Ramen Raider. Ramen Raider says hey. Cause, yeah. Where's the line? Okay, it's way down there. Cool. Add the famous Buldak sauce. 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 Oh, sauce. It's time for sauce. And here's the sauce. It's oozing. Mimi! Sauce! Sing, Mimi! Sing the sauce song! No? She says no. It finally started to happen. I'm embarrassing my children. Yeah, sauce! Alright. Sauce. So there's what we have at present. So I need to put some water up to that line and microwave it for 2.5 minutes at 1,000 watts. Something I can do. Here, let's turn you around so you can see what's going on here. We have bread. I'll tell you why. That's interesting. That is very interesting, Miriam. Okay. Okay, so why I was saying that was interesting, I just took a half a cup of liquid and put it in the thing and now it's cooking, right? What's so interesting about that? Well, when you cook Buldak on the stove, you add 8 spoons of water, which is 120 milliliters, which is about a half a cup of water. So that's kind of a trip. I don't know if it was that much, but kind of cool. I like Sepultura. Oh, hi, Mimi. How are you? Did you eat all your chips? That's a good lass. Are you gonna watch Papa eat spicy noodles? We need spicy Topokki. Spicy Topokki. I know you do. You're the noodle princess. I'm the god of ramen. She's the princess of noodles. Yay! It's Friday. All day long. Yeah? Is that working for you, sweetie? That's what she does. She goes, It's like, hey. Oh, you reached. Oh, I got it. Good job. More? No. Nope. One of these days, she's going to learn the word please without me having to prompt her. But yeah, no. Maybe if I say no enough, maybe that'll help. Oh, look at this. No, it's in there. Well, anyways, we got bread. We got Velveeta. We got... The bread will turn into toast because we have a toaster. We have eggs, and we have, what do you call them? French cut green beans. And my mom used to make this recipe. I should do that recipe on camera. Yeah. It was like an old Weight Watchers recipe. My sister calls it the bean thing, and my mom would call it bean burgers. It's hella good. Yup. Okay, so... Wow. So it got hot enough and boily enough. Can you see that? See how high on the edges it went? It's like way up there. It's way up there, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, that's right. I'm gonna use that. So I'm kind of pondering, do I want to really add anything to this or just like mukbang it straight? Honestly, I might really want to do some spring onion. I think that's what I'll do. Where'd it go? Where'd my spring onion go? Here we go. It's the end of the week. It's the end of the spring onion. At this point in the game, it gets kind of sad. Shush! A little more. Oh, I like this tune. Yeah. Oh my God, Mimi. I think I heard a please. Okay. I'll give me more chips. It's Friday. It's fun Friday. You can have some more lightly salted Fritos, my dear. And yeah, it's time now. It's time to do the mukbang. So, yeah, I'm gonna scarf this down. 450 calories. Good thing I walked 10 miles this morning. Alright. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing just you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.